and Rod's big adventure. Heading down to Sydney for the Sydney Motorcycle Show. And it is Thursday morning. Thursday morning? Yeah. Thursday morning. Brandon? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to know if it's Thursday morning. It's Thursday morning. Anyhow, and the bikes are all set up and ready to go. Right, it's all here. Okay, right, start her up.
Oh, look.
What's wrong?
Backpack.
Your backpack?
Look, I can't get it on.
Stay there. Hang on.
Still done up?
Yeah, all looks good, bud.
Right. It's a tiny rip on the top, but that shouldn't be nothing to worry about.
It shouldn't be an issue. Okay, we'll leave it there. Before we take off, we'll do some video as we're riding along. Anyway, we're heading down to Sydney. Woohoo! Friend, woohoo! Give me a woohoo! Oh, there's my first trickle of sweat down my back. That was lovely. Okay, we've just left home on our 1,000 kilometre trip down to Sydney. This is Zoid behind me. Oh, this is Zoid. Yo. Well, I'm hoping some of this video will work, Brent. What was that? Yeah. Anyway, we're here. It's all nice and cool. 19.5 degrees. Gonna get warmer. What's it, folks? Making our way out of Brisbane. Back to Mount Cotton. How are you feeling back there anyway? Comfortable?
Yeah, definitely. Backpack's not that big.
Yeah, so it's going to be interesting going to see this bike show. See what it's like. Woo! Gotta love that power. I don't think Mum was so upset before we left.
That's fun.
You really haven't been for many rides on that bike since you got back from Europe.
Alright.
What's going on the ride? There's the dog. Puppies. So we're going down to Sid Vegas. We're going to see Chrisley.
One and only.
Sorry?
One and only.
So we'll stop in a casino for breakfast.
Yeah.
Okay, you're free. Green light. Woohoo! Oh, that's nice. You can put on some cruise control. Just one's body. We've got to make a special mention if this recording and everything comes through properly. close it up so we can hear you. This is to 6-gear motorcycles, if you're listening and you're watching. Thank you for all the advice and the great videos so far of the trip through Europe, down to Croatia, I believe it is, Pula. Well, it's been great watching you. Then you get to see a bit of Australia. We're still in spring, Brent, or? We're not summer yet, are we? We're still in spring. Yeah. So it's November, November, I think, 16th or something like that. Don't know exactly the date. Anyway. I'll go through, you can wait. We can come through. I'll pull over anyway. Anyway, so yeah, here we are. Make our way down to Sydney on a beautiful spring day. Looking at temperatures of, geez, plus 35 degrees today, aren't we, Brent? Yeah. Not going to be nice. Oh, there he is. Yeah, special mention to Big Gear and all the stuff he's done. I've enjoyed it, having a great time watching it. And it has spurred me on to hopefully get some good video and commentary. I don't know whether the commentary is going to come through. It's quite funny if it doesn't. Kill myself if it does. Anyway, I'm going past Brent. The only reason I went past is I love the corner. Stay there, Brent. You're not going to make it past now. Lovely, look at this. Beautiful. Oh, that's what motorcycle riding's all about. Yeah, so it's going to be interesting, this Sydney Motorcycle Show. It only happens every 2 years in Australia. We used to get them every year. Unfortunately, they said there was no cost benefit to running it every year, so they decided to do it every 2 years. I think this year will be in Sydney. I think 2 years time it might be in Sydney. Sorry, Brisbane. Anyway, but Brent and I thought we'd go down. We've got a mate in Sydney we're going to go and see. And got to put us up for 2 or 3 nights and get into some shenanigans. Oh, I love that. That's a good feeling, Brent. Cutting through a corner like that. Oh, man walking. Yes, man walking. So from here we'll jump on the freeway. And then we'll come off at Yahla, Brent. And we'll start working our way back around to Troy Bayliss. And then from Troy Bayliss we'll work our way down to Casino. And Casino's breakfast time.
Yeah.
So a bit of McDonald's. Yo?
Yeah. I'm going to have to feel off the side.
So what is your tank currently showing at the moment?
Half a tank.
Half a tank. Ooh.
What?
Let's have a full tank.
Yeah, it's what it said. But that one, well, about to leave it switched around. Unless I go to the BP just to...
No, let's keep on going. Keep on going. There's a petrol station just as we come into Bow Desert. You'll make it to there easy. We'll fill up there. So Shell service station on the left-hand side. So
Yeah.
fill up there. Let's skip past this guy. Plenty of time. How's the Kawasaki feeling?
Yeah, it's good.
The Ninja. Yeah, we'll make it easy to boat desert, and then from there we'll stop and get some fuel. Now, that's the only thing I forget to do on this bike. This indicator system on the K1600 is shit. Every time I go and turn the indicators off, the damn things stay on. I do not like them, BMW. Should have stayed with the old system back in the old K1200 days. It had the indicators on the left and right, a big thumb press. Dude, talk about easy. Some idiot next to me, getting nice and close, his little shitbox cigar. I don't know how many other bikes are going to go down. We're not seeing any large groups of bikes or bike riders.